Hey, Becky here at Amber Marie and Company at the 91st and location. Hey, let's make a bow. And I kind of am loving this little collection I put together. Kind of a real fun, fresh summer vibe. So I've got this pretty green. Look at this fun little strawberry print. And a little gingham check. This says picnic, doesn't it? Let's make a bow. Let's start with this yellow and strawberry. Man, that makes me kind of want some strawberry shortcake. I have not had any. Did you all find any good strawberries yet? What's your favorite thing to do with strawberries? I can still make a decent size for a wreath, but I do like to use her more for like your lanterns or your baskets or little accent bows around your house. So I'm not going to get real crazy today, but she's still going to be fun and beautiful. Okay, back to our strawberry chat. One of my favorite things I always get each summer, my mother loves to buy strawberries, and she makes freezer jam. And it's frozen, and you take it out of the freezer, and you put it on your little biscuit. It's so good. Mama, are you watching? I think I have a little bit left in the freezer. I'll take you out to buy strawberries. And today, since she is of a lesser weight, I'm going to do 4 loops because I can really manage her better. So I've got tail going off there, tail there, tail there. There's our base. Let's come in with this darling, it's kind of a picnic check, isn't she? She's going to be just a real fun accent ribbon. So I think I'll just do 3 of her. Why am I doing only 3? Because I can. Because I want to. I don't want her to be heavy and overpowering to my bow. And look, right there, there's a seam where they did that. Did you love that little surprise right there? So I'll just cut it away, and we'll just get it out of there, and I'm gonna put it up there on that end where I can cut it off. But just work around it. Pick up where I left off. I had just gotten back from Dallas, so I kind of had a nice quiet Saturday. I like that against that yellow strawberry. Again, I'm kind of shaping her as I go. This will be a fun little green accent to kind of pick up the green in that little strawberry leaf. It's fun to add a little complementary accent color. And she's the one that can do a lot of fun tricks for you as far as making a curl. I'm gonna straighten her out before I really cinch her down. It really does have a good effect to be able to manipulate before you really tighten that up. It really does have a good purpose in locking it in. Don't forget one for our mechanics. Now let's tighten her down. There we go. Open side to the bottom, to that center fold. Now we got her. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm kind of ready for some of my Mama's strawberry freezer jam.